What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Gemini Jets August 2020 releases. I would like to apologize that this is late. This is actually like my third attempt because I accidentally deleted the first one. Yeah, let's get straight into it. If you do enjoy it, please leave a like and subscribe. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off here, we have a Boeing 737-900. This is the one without winglets, as you can see. According to this model, it looks like it does have a ton of detail here with all the antennas and Wi-Fi boxes and everything. And I will be picking this one up. I don't think they fly to Denver or Honolulu. I think they mainly use this on like Seattle, PDX, and Anchorage and stuff. But I still think it'd be a great model to have, so I will most likely be picking this one up. The next one is the Delta A220-300. As you can see here, it does have all the antennas, lights, the Wi-Fi box, so this does look like a very good model. They don't fly this one to Denver. They only fly the 100, so I won't be picking this one up, unfortunately. But if they do start flying the 300 to Denver, I will be picking this one up, and it does look like a very nice model. So if it does fly to your airport, definitely pick it up if you can. The next one is the Qatar Airways Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. This one is $54.95. Nothing about this one, other than I can see the winglets they're not as high as they used to. Before they used to swoop like all the way up here. It looks like it's at a nice even where it's like supposed to be. So I definitely pick this one up if it does fly to your airport. And it does look like it has a bunch of detail here, so, yeah. Next one is the Qatar Airways 787-9 Dreamliner, so the exact same as that one. But it has the flaps and stats down, so the flaps will be down when you get the model. They don't pull out, they're permanently stuck down. As you can see, it says flaps down configuration. But it doesn't show the flaps down in this, but they'll show it on their Instagram as soon as the model's out. But yeah, it's very interesting to see more 1/400 scale airplanes with the flaps down version. I think that's a great feature to Gemini jets. Next one is the Southwest 737-700. This one is the Florida one, and I'm very, very, very excited for this, and I will definitely be picking that up. I mean, just look at that. It looks so, so good. And the awesome, gorgeous tail. I will definitely be picking that one up. Not more than one, though, but it's $44, so not too expensive. Next one is the Spirit Airbus A321. They were a little late on this one because I already purchased the NG models one, which obviously will be better quality. But it does look like this one is very good quality and very similar to Gemini jets, and it does have the antennas and everything, so that is very nice. The next one, I have been waiting for this model ever since the new livery came out, and it does fly to Denver, matter of fact. It is the United 777-300ER in the new livery. Holy crap, it looks so, 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 so good. And as you can see, it does have 2 Wi-Fi boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 antennas. And the new livery just looks way better on the 777 than it does on most of the other aircrafts. And I will definitely be picking this one up for Denver. The next one is the WGA MD-11F, so it's a cargo airline, for $50, Western Global. As you can see here, it's pretty much Euro white, but if I'm correct, they do fly to Honolulu. I'm not sure, but if they do, I will definitely be picking this one up for Honolulu. Or I could just use it as flies to Denver to pick up a car or something, It could just be used for whatever multi-purposes. The next one we'll be doing is the 1/400 scale Gemini Max. So if you don't know, that is their military line of aircraft. So here we have a, what is it called? KC-135 Stratotanker. These do fly to Grand Junction, Colorado, if you know where that is, which I do not live too far away from. So if I ever build an airport for that, I will definitely be picking this one up. As you can see, it has a ton of detail on the wings and the tail, and the back even has a little fueler thing. So that's absolutely awesome, and I will be picking this one up. Next, we'll move on to the 1/200 scale releases for August. Starting off, we have the Air Canada Bombardier-AQ 300, which, if I am correct, they still fly. Well, I think they do because it's in the new livery. But if you have a smaller Canadian airport, I would definitely pick this one up. It does look like it is a fantastic model. It is only $70, so not too bad. The next one is the Delta MD-90, but this one's in the retro-ish livery. My only concern for this one is the engines. They look a little too tilted. I know in real life they are, but I don't know if they're that far. But anyway, this looks like a very nice model, and I will not be picking this one up, but it does look like a very nice one. Next one is the Jet2.com 737-800 for $94. There it is right there. As you can see, the wings do look a little too high, like a little too slanted up. But I don't think that's too much of a concern. As you can see, it has a bunch of detail with the antennas and the 2 Wi-Fi boxes, and I really do like the gray and the red. That looks very good on the aircraft. The next one is the KLM DC-9 for $78. There it is right there. It looks like a fantastic model. If you do have a retro 1/200 scale airport, this would be a very good one to pick up. And yeah, I will not be picking this one up, but it does look like a very nice one. Next one is the Northwest Orient 727-200. This is $96.95. As you can see right here, we have the aircraft. I really do like the gray and the white and the blue, and then the red and the tail. That does look very, very good. I won't be picking this one up, obviously, because it doesn't fly to any of my airports, and I don't really have a want for it. But it does look very cool, once again, if you have a retro airport. The next one is Royal Air Force Boeing P-8 Poseidonia. I think that's how you pronounce it. If you don't know, this is basically a 737, but the buffed up military version. You can see it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7, 8, 9, like 9 antennas. So you can definitely tell it's a military aircraft. It does look like it has some very nice detail here towards the back and all the antennas and paint on here. This would be a very cool model to pick up if it was in 1/400 scale, but it's not. Next one is another very exciting one, which is the Southwest 737-700 in the Illinois 1. Unfortunately, it's not in the 1/400 scale, which is quite a bummer. But they did give us a Florida one, so I'm not complaining. Thank you, Gemini Jets. As you can see, it does have very, very supreme detail, and I do like the sun on the back and the eagle going across the body of the aircraft and the shield type thing on the wing, or on the body of the aircraft and the engine. I might be picking this one up just for display, as it does look very good. It's only $93, so not too bad, but still pretty expensive. The next one is the Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner. This is $150, quite a bit of money if you ask me, but it does look like a very good supreme quality model. As you can see, the wing looks actually good. It's not like slanted all the way up like Gemini Jets normally does, but they're Dreamliner molds, but it does look very good in the new livery, I do have to say, and I could possibly be picking this one up for display, although it is quite a chunk of money. The next one is the Boeing 737-800. This is by Virgin Australia. Let's take a look at that. It does look like the wings are a little too high, unfortunately, as you can see, but I don't think that's much of a concern. NG did release the 1/400 scale, so I think this will get quite a bit of pickups because it's not 1/400 scale. But the one thing that Gemini Jets did do wrong is release the Spirit one late. If they released it before NG wouldn't have gotten that much. I'm telling you, they wouldn't have. The next category we'll be going on to is the 172 scale, so that's bigger than 1/400 scale and 1/200 scale. The smaller the number, the bigger the aircraft. Just remember that. This is known as their Gemini Jets GA, so General Aircraft. Here we have a Cessna 172. This is coming in at $86. Where's that? Yeah, $86. Let's take a look at, let's take a look at that aircraft. There we go. Hold on. Oh, there it is, sorry. Alright, as you can see there, it does have some nice detail on it with the blue and gold and the white, and the registration is very big. I did fly a Cessna 172, so I could possibly be picking up this aircraft just because, you know, I flew on it, so it's cool to have. And it's fairly big because it's 172 scale. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. These new releases are fantastic, and I highly recommend them. And I'll be getting a lot of them. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, which should be a airport update. Alright, peace out.